What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a makeup haul. I got some drugstore stuff and I also got some stuff from Sephora that just came in. I am so excited to show you guys everything I got. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you are notified every time I post. Give this video a like, a comment. If you want to see all the goodies that I got, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so I want to start with my Target stuff that I picked up. I wanted to get some drugstore options for things that I'm like totally stuck on, like my Laura Mercier powder. I was like, okay, let's switch it up. Let's try some drugstore. And I heard amazing things about the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. It is a tiny bit less, it looks like, less product, but it's way, way, way cheaper. I think it was like $6-7 maybe versus like upper 30s. So I actually have tried this out and so far so good. I can give you guys an update later on once I try it a little bit more, but I did really enjoy this. Very comparable, and if you have never tried a setting powder, I would definitely recommend picking one of these more affordable options up and trying it out. Next, what I got from Target is this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. I've also heard so many great things about this. I may have tried it once before this video. I did try it today actually. I'm wearing it right now. It has great coverage so far. Once it's on, it's a little hard to move. That's my only complaint, but I'm gonna keep testing this out and let you guys know what I think about it. Might have gotten a shade a little bit too light, but I swear I do that every single time. And this time was in person, so I don't really have an excuse for the shade. But I really do like a very bright under eye, so not mad about it. I'm gonna keep trying this out and let you guys know how I feel about it. So what I picked up from Target is actually a brush. It's a Sonia Kashuk. I might be saying that wrong, but I needed a new bronzing brush. I wanted more of a round one, and this one comes with a little top on it, which I think is kind of cool. So you just pop it open, and I will show you guys what it looks like. So it's just very rounded, gold, very cute, very pretty. I feel like my bronzer is going on so much more smooth and even. So many expensive options, but I'm glad that I found an affordable one that I really like. Because brushes can get real expensive. A little refill on something that I already had was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water and Coconut. This one and the rose one are my favorite. I had to get some more because mine is running low. I'm addicted, so if you have not and you need a new priming spray, this is a good one. Wet n Wild has some great stuff. Like, I'm honestly impressed for a drugstore brand. They've got great price points and great stuff. So that's what I got from Target. So not a huge amount, but I did get a lot more stuff from Sephora, so let's just jump right into that because I'm excited. More refill things that I did get were, one is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I had it before and I enjoy it. If I don't want to do concealer on my eyelids, I'll do this. Say I'm doing my eyeshadow before my foundation and whatnot, I will use this. And so I had to go ahead and pick up a new one because mine is probably very expired and needed to go. So I do have a new one. Another refill, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This stuff is gold. Like this, I have not found anything better. This will keep your makeup in place literally all night, just like it says. Not a gimmick. This thing does the job. Keeps my makeup. It's gonna look like this at the end of the day. So I absolutely love the all-nighter spray. Need a setting spray, pick this one up, and I promise you will not be disappointed. Lastly, for the refills, I did have to get another Tarte Shape Tape. You see me use it in a lot of my videos. This is my all-time favorite. Gives the most coverage, does not crease, and yeah, lasts all day long. So this is my all-time favorite if you need a recommendation on concealer. This guy is it. Moving on to some new stuff that I have not tried yet. Haven't touched any of this. That's a lie. I touched one thing. I couldn't help myself. The box was looking at me. Next up is the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna open up and show you guys. So first of all, their packaging is like pretty hard and I like it. Shade and Light contour palette. So in here it does have, this is the item that I touched already. It does have a little mirror, and then it has 6 shades for contouring and highlighting. I have used it so far. I have been liking it. I am really just comparing this to like my bronzers, my Ulta Beauty contour palette, and so far this is like very convenient because everything's just in one spot. And if I want like a warmer look or a cooler look, I can definitely get that out of here. So far I've liked it, but once again, I will circle back and let you guys know exactly what I think. Was a Casey Holmes recommendation. That is the Peach Perfect setting powder. So like I said, there's a few things that I've wanted to try different products, and that would be concealer, setting powder, and honestly foundation and mascara, but I didn't get any foundation today. I did get mascara, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. But I wanted to try some different setting powders. I've heard that this smells amazing. A lot of people that aren't into scents think that this smells amazing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know right now because I have not opened this yet. Peach Perfect, so cute, such cute packaging. Clearly I'm here for the packaging. Yeah, so like a very light scent, it's not bad. But you know, the proof is in how well it performs, and I will let you guys know because I have not yet used it. Super excited about that. I heard that they are starting to do away with this line. Not really sure why, because I've only heard great things. So if you are interested, pick that up before it's gone. I got the Lancome, if I'm saying it wrong, I'm not perfect. Monsieur Big, I don't know. I have seen a lot of influencers on Instagram use this, and some here on YouTube. I totally just ripped that. I've seen great things about this. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it if you follow a lot of people on Instagram, a lot of influencers on there. So it is a pretty big wand. Looks like it will have a lot of volume. I'll probably use this in another video and let you guys know how I feel about all these. If you guys want, I can do like a first impressions on everything. I have literally everything but foundation, which there is one that I want to try out, which is the new NARS one. So you guys let me know if you want to see a first impressions on all this stuff and see how I really feel about it right away as soon as I apply it. Super exciting. I got a new lip, so I literally have like all liquid lips, and I'm like, that's not how lipstick started. So I need legit lipstick. So I did get a Pat McGrath Labs lipstick. How cute is this packaging? You get to like untwist it. So luxurious in my opinion. Look at how cute. So you open it up, and here is what the lipstick looks like. Sucker for good packaging. And this is what the color looks like. Just a pretty pink nude. This is a matte lipstick, in case you guys are wondering. Again, I do want to do a first impression, so we'll just mash all this stuff together, make a good look, and see how we like it. Moving on, something so exciting. I did talk about this a few videos ago. I did get the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina. I believe this is the volume 4. Yeah, volume 4. And let's open this guy up so I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, here she is. Dun, da, da, da. So cute. It's actually really big. This is just absolutely beautiful. So it does come with a big mirror, and then I will show you guys all of the colors. Like, look at that. Like I said, I did mention this in one of my previous videos. I was like, I think I saw someone try this out, and I do totally want to do a whole look with this. I don't even use yellows, and now I want to use yellows. Like, holy cow. I have been in love with any palette that Anastasia has ever came out with, so for me, this is a big win. I'm so stinking excited about this. Wow. I feel like maybe this could be, this could maybe be one of the times that I do a colorful look. It doesn't happen often, but I feel like, how can you not? So yes, this might be the thing that I am most excited about, right next to that Pat McGrath lipstick. And like, I don't know if you guys can see how beautiful and chunky that one is. Wow. And they're not all like that. That's what's nice, is some of the shimmers are super chunky and some are super smooth and fine. And wow, I can't wait to use it. I seriously cannot wait to use that. This is actually totally an accident. I meant to repurchase my Kat Von D tattoo liner, just like the regular black one that I always use, and I accidentally got the Dagger tattoo liner, so it has a different shape. That's why the packaging is shaped like that. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm not really sure how I feel about it, if I'm gonna keep it or not. Let's go ahead and see. So, ooh, okay, so the only difference is this looks like that, and oh, okay. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like on an angle. I'm actually very interested. I think I'm gonna keep this and try it out. Yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I feel like it would be super good for the wing. I actually don't have a wing on for the first time in a million years. Can you believe that, guys? But I feel like this would definitely do me some good on a wing. I know how to do a wing, but I feel like this would just make it 10 times easier, which is amazing. That is it for all the stuff that I purchased, but some people are not the biggest fan of Sephora's point system. However, I am. I love free stuff, and I got some free goodies with my points. So I want to show you guys what I got. The Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I'm assuming it's just like a moisturizer, which I love those. I'm all for it. Skincare all the way these days. I do know that this is gonna smell like oranges, so let's see how I feel. So like I thought, very orangey, but you know, we'll see how it works. It might be the best thing that I've ever tried. So I had actually purchased something similar to this. It's the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse face wash, and then the water cream moisturizer. And I haven't bought a new one yet because I've been going through a couple different things. But I could get it with my points, so that's what I did. This is just a mini water cream, and by the way, I loved this stuff. I actually had people commenting on how good my skin looked and that my pores look super small and unnoticeable, so shout out to this. Super teeny size. Obviously, once I run out, I plan on replenishing that, but this is the Deep Cleanse. I really like it. I really like the scent. It honestly smells like a spa to me, and I'm all for that. I also got Full Frontal. It's supposed to be mascara, I believe. Volume, Lift, and Curl Mascara. Obviously, teeny tiny. I'm gonna get a couple uses out of this, but this is what the wand looks like. Interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out. I would love to have, you know, some free samples. I guess they're not really free, but I'd love to have, you know, samples from my points to really test these things out, because makeup is expensive. So, you know, I love getting the stuff with my points to see how I really like it. I actually got the Sephora gloss. It's just a clear gloss because that can really amp up any look if I really wanted to. I like this matte lip right now. I feel very vampy. Otherwise, I would throw this gloss on top. But yes, just a clear gloss to throw on top of literally any look. These are the smallest things. I literally just got the Silk Peony. It's an eye cream, one use type of thing. I'm gonna try that out, see how I feel about it, maybe purchase that. I'm loving Tatcha's products. This might be a little bit weird, but I got the Briogeo Scalp Revival. It's got charcoal and coconut oil. It's an exfoliating shampoo. Like, I'm literally such a clean person, but I deal with a dry scalp no matter what I do. I feel like I've tried Head and Shoulders, I've tried dermatologist recommended things, and nothing's doing it for my scalp, and it's really annoying, and I figured I would try that out. So I got a trial size of that. Is everything I've got. If the free point stuff didn't enthuse ya, I'm sorry. I just love that stuff, honestly. Who doesn't like free stuff? You guys let me know if you would like to see a full video on first impressions of all this stuff, or if you just want a tutorial on the Norvina eyeshadow palette, that's fine too. Let me know what your favorite was, if you guys have purchased anything lately that you just totally love and you recommend and you think I should try. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, hit the bell so you are notified every time I post. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.